Hello. So I'm out and about. I'm trying to do more things when it comes to these videos, more cinematic, more drone footage, things like that. So what I'm doing is I'm actually going out today to record some B-roll, but not just B-roll, drone footage B-roll, B-roll for the channel, stuff for stock. I'm gonna do some stock video. I figured it was a nice day. Go out, we got Richard, we got JD, we're gonna go out, film some B-roll, we're gonna just hit some random places along the desert, hopefully, and maybe get some good shots. So we'll see. So as you can see, we have Richard's friend Fernando along for the ride. He'll be joining us today as well. Say hello, Fernando. Or not. Hey, whatever works, right? We're out to have some fun. How many guys does it take to work a gas pump?
No, I'm gonna pump that gas. This is an organ. It's not so.
I'm gonna pump your gas.
I'm gonna pump your
What's up, man?
How about that?
What are we doing?
Get his credit card number. No, it's an authorization code. You gotta hit enter now. Now select your set invalid card. What?
Is it a 6-digit number?
Are you missing a number?
No, I have bad eyes.
I told you I'd do it.
It'd
want me to help you?
Also be nice if the printer works properly.
Okay, I can read that. I don't understand the problem.
We're already starting off with a bang. All right, well, let's do this. So we set off to an old abandoned school about 12 miles from home. Now, even though I've been to this location about 15, maybe even 20 times, Richard had never been. And even though I've photographed it to death, there's always a good shot. We've been here before many times for videos, but today I want to get some B-roll and I want to get some stock video. So we are going to head over to this teacherage and do what we do. Now, here I was armed with 2 GoPros. One was hanging from my Tellison neck mount, and the other was on my rechargeable vlogging stick. JD, he was using my Canon R7 with the Mikey speed booster. And all the stock footage that I was shooting, I was using my Canon R6 Mark III. These are some of the shots that I was getting for stock. Now, I know it's typically not a great idea to add a full color grade to stock footage, but this abandoned teacherage just screams decay, so I figured I'd give it sort of a creepy look. Kind of looks like something straight out of a horror movie, you know, with random tumbleweeds in the bathroom, all kinds of hanging wires, rope, amongst other things, down to even a big bird's nest hidden in the exposed wall. So we hit the first location, which was Harmon School, which we've been there a million times. I did some POV footage of getting stock video. I talked with Richard a little bit about his photography journey, what he's looking for when we go to different locations, and JD just wants to be invisible. However, it's going to be kind of impossible.
Why don't you plug me?
All right, I'll plug you then.
You can let me off right here. I'm good. I don't need to be plugged by anybody. Here we are out here at Sand Mountain, getting some footage. I just took the Avata, went down the road, got some shots of the road. I don't know how well that'll do for stock, but we're gonna give that a shot. But I really wanted to bring up the Mini 4 Pro and a Potensic Atom 2. Problem is, I haven't flown my Mini 4 Pro in over a month, so I'm not signed in. And as you can tell, I'm out in the middle of nowhere. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to sign in. So first I'm gonna try the Potensic, see if I can fly the Potensic, see if I can get it up, see if I can get some shots. If so, awesome. If not, it's gonna suck for me. But we'll see what we can do. Thankfully, I was able to use the Potensic Atom 2 with no issues to get these aerial shots. Of course, I forgot to switch to Pro mode, so these shots are in auto, which even still look pretty nice. I gotta say, quite impressed with this little drone. All right, so success. The Potensic went up, no problem. Didn't need to sign in. There was no 30-day period that I know of. Didn't ask me to sign in, didn't tell me that I was restricted in my flight, anything. So that's a plus. I don't know if you stay signed into that one permanently or what, but we took the Potensic up. The only downside is we did not put it in Pro mode. We left it in auto because I forgot it was in auto. But I got some shots, got some road shots, and then I handed it over to JD. I let him fly the Potensic for the very first time. So what did you think? What did you think of the Potensic?
I thought it was very, very, very smooth. I like the screen on the controller. I don't know how many nits it is. It seems to me like 800 to maybe 1,000. Just really, really sharp colors, really great footage that we got. The comfort of the controller is really nice. I don't know how much more to go into that.
Yeah, see, one of the things that people got onto me about when I posted the video about the Potensic the first time, they're like, well, how is it better than DJI? Because like DJI's controller is like way better. To you, that's cool. To me, this controller is so much more comfortable in my hands. It's like it was built for my hands. It's not like my fingers aren't too close together. It's spread open. I can look down. I've got full view of the screen and everything. And there's nothing kind of in the way. So that's just me.
I really enjoy the SC Mini too, and that's like the only drone I've ever had. So I'm kind of partial on that. And but I do know that I wanted a DJI Mini 4 Pro as my next drone. Now I'm second guessing that because of the price point. I'm probably going to go with the Potensic. I'm not lying. I'm 100% serious because you get that big package for 600 bucks. It's a great deal. Can't beat it.
We're not sponsored by Potensic. They don't even know I bought the damn drone. I got it off of Amazon. So, yeah. And then it was on to the next location. Yet another area that I featured on this channel. Eastgate Station. So I'm up here above Eastgate. What I mean by above is I'm above. And we're just doing a little photo shoot. I got some pictures of JD. He got some pictures, got some B-roll of me. Richard got some shots of me. I got some shots of Richard taking pictures of JD. He's taking pictures of me now. Overall, it's been a pretty fun day. Just hanging out, getting some video footage, taking some photos here and there. Like today's been video day. Today has been dedicated to getting either stock or B-roll for the channel or just B-roll for this video. I don't even know if this is going to be a video. This could be a video. What I do behind the scenes to get B-roll. What you could do, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of vlog this and just kind of throw this out into the world. It's pretty cool. Sun's starting to go down. It is 5:09. So I'm gonna come down, I'm gonna get some shots in Eastgate, get some shots of the walls and things like that for stock, and we'll go from there. Now, JD really started getting into his groove here. He started coming up with all kinds of different shots that he wanted. Shots of Richard, shots of me, some shots a bit more sketchy than others, but all in all, some pretty good shots. And as much as he says he's not a good videographer, from time to time, he comes up with some really cool stuff. I guess we all have good days and bad days, but this one seemed to be a pretty good day for him. Getting some stock video of the cows and trying to get some shots through the barbed wire. I don't know how well it worked. But yeah, just getting some shots, places I've been, you know, places I'm kind of comfortable being. So inside the old Eastgate station, I shot some more stock footage. Now I think, once again, the color grade really works here. Do I think these clips will sell? Probably not, but it's great practice. Plus, I'm planning on putting together some packs of clips for anyone needing dramatic B-roll. I think the first pack will be all abandoned spots that I found. I was actually pretty surprised to find a lot of creators really need shots like these. Alright, so it's been a fun-filled day. We just got some shots of some cows crossing the street. Crossing the road, I wouldn't call this a street. Yeah, pretty fun. And here's some shots from the day. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.